Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna discuss how you can screen record in your iPhone. If you see on the right side there of your screen, you just need to swipe down just like this, and once you swipe down there is a top option of a positive sign here. Just look at it. You just need to tap on it and a screen like this will come up. You see that on the bottom there is written as a control. Just tap on it and a menu which you can add on your swipe down menu will come up. So iPhone or Apple has built-in function. You can add some of the apps into your swipe down menu, and the screen record is an app which is built in within an iPhone. So if you see that there is a screen record app, you just need to tap on it and it will automatically come into your swipe down menu. So I'm tapping on it, and as you see that this will come in my swipe down menu. As I have already done it, so I don't need to do it again. So I'm for now I'm just deleting it, and because I have already done it, so you need to click on the empty space like this, and just like this, and screen recorder option will come up. Just need to tap on it and the screen recording will start. A timer will given on the top side. You see now our screen is actually recording, and all the data of screen recording will go into photos. So if you want to stop the screen recording, you just need to tap on the screen, and a screen recording like this will come up. You just need to stop and it will automatically save to your photos. So that's how you can screen record on your iPhone and without any app. So keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel for more tutorials like this. Until next video, bye bye.